They say love is supposed to feel safe. But what if the love you're holding on to is quietly destroying you? Toxic relationships don't always scream. They whisper. They manipulate. They wear masks. And sometimes the scariest part is how normal it starts. Sign 1. They make you doubt your memory. Things you're sure happened suddenly get questioned, twisted, dismissed. This is gaslighting, and it's designed to make you question your own reality. Because once you stop trusting your mind, you start relying on theirs. Sign 2. They constantly play the victim. Everything is somehow your fault. Even when you're the one hurt, their ability to flip the script leaves you apologizing for your own pain. Sign 3. Your feelings are always invalidated. When you're upset, you're told you're too sensitive. When you're quiet, you're told you're overreacting. It makes you shrink, question your emotions, and eventually you stop speaking up altogether. Sign 4. They isolate you, but it doesn't happen overnight. It starts with subtle digs about your friends or family, little complaints here and there, until one day you realize you're alone, and the only voice left around you is theirs. Sign 5. The relationship feels like a roller coaster. One day they adore you, the next they withdraw affection without warning. They keep you chasing the high of being loved, and that chase becomes addictive. Sign 6. They use affection as a weapon. Their love is conditional. They'll give you warmth when they want control and go cold when you resist. It creates a trauma bond where the pain and pleasure become intertwined. Sign 7. You're always walking on eggshells, not because they're openly abusive, but because their moods change so fast. You learn to adapt, constantly trying not to trigger them, even when you don't know what the trigger is. Sign 8. You've changed in ways you can't explain. Maybe you used to be confident, now you're anxious. Maybe you used to laugh more, but now everything feels heavy. Your spark is dimming, and you don't recognize yourself anymore. Sign 9. They make promises they never keep. Whether it's change, you're not crazy, you're waking up. The truth is, emotional manipulation leaves scars that don't show, and sometimes the deepest pain comes from the most silent wounds. But awareness is power, and if you're listening to this, it means your healing has already begun. You deserve a love that feels like peace, not war. Your voice matters, your boundaries matter, and your heart deserves to be held, not broken. It's time to stop explaining your pain and start protecting your peace, because the more you see the signs, the closer you get to freedom. Don't let the fear of being alone keep you tied to someone who makes you feel invisible. Walk away with your head high, knowing that your strength isn't in staying, it's in knowing when to let go. You are not too much. You are not too emotional. You are enough. And anyone who makes you feel otherwise is not your person. This isn't the end of your story. This is your rebirth. Gentle smile.